What's up, fellas? My name is Ashmit from Techy Pizza, and today we are gonna learn some basics for survival Minecraft. This was a highly requested video, and so without wasting any time, let's just jump right into it and let's spread technology. So, alright, guys, we have now spawned in an entirely new world, and there are lots of bushes and cows and wood, etc. So the very first thing you have to do is chop down some wood. So now, wait, let me change my POV. Okay, yeah. So now we have to open our inventory, for which we will press the E keyboard button, and now we have to craft some wood planks. So now we have 20 wood planks. So now we will make a crafting table like that. Now that we have a crafting table, remember you can place blocks by right clicking and mine them with left clicking. So I have placed my block. You can also open the settings of the block with right click like this. Here you can see a crafting menu has appeared. So now let's gather some more wood right now. Okay, so let's make wood planks, and now let's make some sticks right there. Let's make an axe. Remember, you can also craft by using the recipe book, which is for your convenience, but I have remembered some recipes, so I do not need them. So we have a wooden axe. With wooden axe we can chop down trees much faster, as you can see over here. It is much faster than chopping them with our bare hands. Alright, so we can endlessly convert that into wood planks. For every log we chop down, and we can then craft 4 wood planks from it. So now I will just quickly grab some wood over here. So now that I have this material, we can go on and build our house, but I would suggest you that you find a mountain, like for example this over here, so that you do not need to gather any extra resources. But first of all, we need to kill 3 sheep to get 3 wool blocks and make a bed. So let's kill them. Okay, that's 1 wool. That's 2, and that is the last one. Where this wood is getting in my way. Okay, now we have 3 wool. We can successfully create a bed and skip the nights, because there are pretty scary monsters in the night which you have to kill, or they will kill you. So let's climb this pile of gravel. Okay, now we have reached almost the top. I think we can now do something over here. Okay, so we have found some coal over here. We can mine that coal so that we can smelt some objects in the furnace. But first of all, let's place down our crafting table over here. We need some planks. then we will craft some more sticks. And now we need a pickaxe, a sword, and a shovel. So that is our gear. If you want to grow crops, you need to have a hoe, but right now I do not need crops. So first of all, what we're gonna do is mine some stone. So we need 3 cobblestone to make another pickaxe, but for stone. This will be much faster than the normal wooden pickaxe, and it can mine coal. So let's mine some coal over here. Okay, so now we have like 3 coal over here. Let's mine this coal too. Okay, so now we have a pretty much good amount of coal. We do not need any more in this tutorial. So let's just mine some stone over here so that we can make a furnace. Okay, so my tip for you guys is never mine straight down, as you can fall into a pit of lava or something like that and you can instantly die. Also, the gravel has a physics mechanic that if there is no block under it, it will just fall. So if it falls on you, you would suffocate and die. So you have to mine it with shovel to remove it. So now once we have 9 cobblestone, I have 18, we can craft a furnace like that. We can also craft some chests so that we can store our stuff like that. Wait. Okay, so let's place down our newly crafted objects. Okay, let's go. So now we have these 3 things. We also need one more very important thing. Okay, so now we need a bed. A bed's crafting recipe is like this, and then this. Now we have a nice little bed. We can place it down like that, and then when it is night time we can sleep. So that is some basics. That are some basics for your new Minecraft survival world. You can just explore it and see what you can do in this world. You basically just have to chop down wood, mine some stone, and mine some ores. Like we have coal, we have iron, we have diamonds, we have gold, we have lapis, we have redstone. But those things are very complex. We will get them in further episodes of this tutorial series. So also a pro tip is that if you hold down shift and just left click on your blocks, it will just directly shift it to the chest you have opened. So like that. Okay, so one more thing I want to teach you is that you can smelt raw food so that it can make some cooked food. So we can keep raw mutton over here and coal over here. As you can see, the fire has started. It has started smelting our raw mutton. So once that arrow is completed, we will get our cooked mutton over here. And here you can see there is a food bar over my experience bar. We have to eat to get it filled, and if we do not have a filled hunger bar, we cannot regain our health if we are attacked by a mob or we just fall down or like that. Also guys, you need a sustainable food farm, so that I will teach you in the next episode. And this was the end of this episode. So for now, bye bye. If you like this video, please leave a like, share, and comment on this video. Subscribe to Techy Pizza, and don't forget to press the bell icon. This was Ashmit Singh from Techy Pizza, taking bye, and we'll see you next time. Bye.